How to protect our social media accounts from hackers. Welcome to a Teach for You. Two-step verification is a security feature for all types of accounts that prevents anyone from logging into your account, even if they have your username and password. Because in addition to your username and password, the hacker also needs your SIM card and authentication app that only works on your phone or your backup codes or other things. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to enable this feature for various accounts such as Gmail, YouTube, Instagram, Telegram, and WhatsApp to ensure the security of your account forever. For Gmail, first we enter the quick panel menu and select the Android settings option. Then select the accounts and backup. Select manage accounts. Then select your desired Gmail. Select Google account. Select security and sign in, and select two-step verification. There are 4 security options on this page and you can enable some or all of them, and I will explain them to you in order. If you enable the first option, whenever you want to log into your Gmail account, in addition to your username and password, you must also perform physical authentication such as a fingerprint or face scan. By using the second option, you determine which device can be allowed to log into your account, which here is the device you are currently logged in with. After this, whenever you want to log into your Gmail with another device such as a mobile phone or laptop, a message will first be displayed on your current device, and by confirming it, you will grant permission to log into the second device. The third option is the Authenticator application, which I will introduce below. Select Setup Authenticator. Click on the Can't Scan It and copy the code you see here. Now we need to enter the Authenticator application. If you don't have it, you can first enter the Google Store and search for Authenticator. Then install Google Authenticator, which as you can see is already installed for me. Click on the Open. First, we select the Gmail we want. And at this stage, if asked us for a fingerprint scan or facial recognition, we enter it. Then select Enter a setup key. In the code field, write your Gmail username, and in the Your Key field, paste the key you copied earlier and don't change the type of key field. And click on the Save. Now your app is activated, and every time you log in, it will give you a one-time code that you can use to log into your Gmail. However, due to Android security measures, the content of this page will not be recorded in the screen recorder. Then we go back into the Google security settings and enter the one-time code that the application generated for us, and click on the Verify. By using the fourth option, you can connect your mobile number to your Gmail. This method is the most reliable and convenient security method to protect your Gmail. To do this, simply select the country code of your choice and then enter your mobile number. You will then receive a confirmation SMS and your mobile number will be linked to your Gmail. And finally, don't forget to turn on the two-step verification option, otherwise all your security meshes will be disabled. For YouTube, since you use your Google account to log into your YouTube account, the security settings in YouTube for two-step verification are the same as the Google settings. For Instagram, first we enter the main settings and select Account Center, then select Password and Security. Select two-factor authentication. Select your account. On this page, you have two options. The first option connects you to an authenticator app, just like your Google account security settings. And the second option ensures the security of your account by using SMS or WhatsApp, and I will explain both of which. Select the first option and click on Next. Then copy the 32-digit code you see on this page. For this, just click on the copy key. And go to the Google Authenticator app. Click on Enter a setup key. Enter your Instagram account name in the code name field. And in the Your Key field, paste the 32-digit number you copied from Instagram. And do not change the type of key field and click on the Save. Now, every few seconds, a 6-digit code will be generated for you, which you can copy by clicking on it and use to log into your Instagram account. We enter this page on Instagram again and click on Next. And here we paste the 6-digit code that the Google Authenticator app generated for us and click on Next. Seeing this message means that Instagram has successfully connected to Google Authenticator app. Click on the Done. By using the Additional Methods option, you can enable additional layers of security. For example, if you turn on the Login Request option, an alert will appear at the top of your current device screen whenever a new device tries to log into your account. And Backup Keys provides you with a number of unique codes that you can use whenever you don't have access to other login methods. If you enable the SMS or WhatsApp option, if you have a WhatsApp account, a confirmation code will be sent to your WhatsApp every time you try to log into your Instagram. And if you don't have a WhatsApp account, an SMS will be sent to the SIM card number you have defined, and for this purpose, you must click on the Get Code via SMS option. If you want to define a new mobile number for your Instagram account or change it, first go to the Account Center page and select Personal Details. Select Contact Info. In this section, you can change the Gmail or mobile number you use to create your Instagram account. For Telegram, first we enter the main menu and select Settings. Then we select Privacy and Security. Then select two-step verification. Click on the set password. Define a password for it. Repeat the password. Here you can define a password reminder that you can use to remember the password, which I usually don't enter, and select skip. In this section you must enter your Gmail address because the verification code will be sent to this Gmail. After you receive the 6-digit code in your Gmail, enter it in this field to activate two-step verification. For WhatsApp, first enter the three-dot menu and select the settings option, and then select the accounts. In this page, select two-step verification and click on the turn on. Due to WhatsApp security measures, this part cannot be recorded by screen recorder. But be aware that at this stage it will ask you for a password that you must enter twice. After entering the password, you must define a Gmail for it so that if you forget your password, you can use this Gmail to recover the password. First, select the desired Gmail and click Continue. Click on the Next. Then a code will be sent to your Gmail, which you must enter in this field. This will activate your two-step verification. Two-step verification is available in most social apps, and as you saw in this tutorial, all you need to do is enter the main settings of that app, find the two-step verification option, and activate it using Gmail, SMS, or Google Authenticator to keep your account secure at all times. I hope you enjoyed from this tutorial. There are a lot of tutorials like this on my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you want to know what the best and easiest ways to take screenshots on Android are, watch this video. And if you want to know the best ways to reduce the temperature of your phone, make it faster and increase battery life, watch this video.